Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainor talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. I'd be outside today, but it's a little bit foggy out there, so I'm sharing my thoughts today. So welcome to my channel, my lovely friends. It's Christine Trainor, like I said, from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada, as I continue on my series of tips and strategies of online marketing, as I've been an online marketer for the past 2 years, online digital marketing, as well as an entrepreneur. Now, if you're new to my channel, just give you a little skinny why I started to work online 2 years ago. How about that? Basically, I worked from the College of Life with a variety of jobs for so many years, and I'll just name off a few. Just basically, I was a sheet metal worker for 8 years. I worked as a daycare worker, looking after 6 kids for a couple of years. I was at McDonald's. I was in Orange Julius. I worked in a jewelry shop, you name it. I was busy working steady. But a number of years ago, I started to work with my sister, Vicky, in Vancouver, west of me, and I started doing direct marketing, and that's where I got the taste I wanted to be online. Mind you, fast forward to a couple years ago, I really didn't do that for a while, to finally I decided to work online, be a digital marketer as well as an entrepreneur. So I sold a bunch of jewelry, got started, and I've been doing it for 2 years now. It's a wonderful journey, I must say. I've earned a bit of money, I've lost a bit of money. Actually, I've earned more money lately because I started a beautiful platform I'm on right now where I earn as I learn with a digital digital marketing task-based educational platform. And so in the next segment, I'm going to share with you some information of what I'm actually doing in my life as well as other things. Stay to the end. It's an invitation to you all. Okie dokie. Stay to the end as I share some information as well as something else as well for you. So don't forget to love and comment on my video, as well as if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more tips and strategies of online marketing coming on in the near future as well. Plus, click the bell so you can get the next notification of my next video coming around pretty soon too, right? So my lovely friends, and that being said, let's carry on to the next segment of part of my video and my invitation as well. See you on the other side to success, my lovely friends. Oh, one more thing. I have more information down below for you. Check it out as well. In the description below, some information and some links for you to check out as well. So, that being said, carry on to the next video segment. See you on the other side to success, my lovely friends. Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainor here, talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Let me give me a couple seconds here while see if let Facebook do its magic. Get some friends coming on to say hello. Let's see if that's going to happen. I'm not sure, but let's just take a couple minutes here to see what happens. You know what? I like to always wait just a couple minutes. I always like to see who's going to come on and say hello to my live today. Let's see if there's going to be anybody today. So let's take a peek. It's a little bit slow here, so I'm not sure. Let's see, my lovely friends. Let's see, my lovely friends. Who's going to come on and say hello with me today? Okie dokie. Somebody. Welcome to my live, whoever you may be. I'm pleased that somebody's popping on and say hello. I might carry on to do this live anyways, because it is a very interesting live, because it is my Winning Wednesday live. Hello, hello, hello again. It's Christine Trainor talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Let's carry on with the webinar. I am too fast. Let's carry on with this live today, as I want to share with you a little bit about what it's like out there today in a foggy day today. It's a little foggy out here on the west coast of British Columbia, Canada. So I'm doing this inside because I have something I want to share with you today. My lovely friends, something I want to share with you today. Let's carry on, eh? And of course, my little girl, she's just enjoying all the birds. And of course, my plants have died. Okay. I'm going to carry on with this live anyways today, see what happens, okay? And who all comes on and say hello, I say welcome as well. Basically, if you're catching this live today, hashtag live and where you're tuning in from, and or if you're catching this later on today, hashtag replay, because it's still a good one to check out, and let me know where you're coming in from there, and then I can also basically, shall we say, talk to you and share with you my thoughts as well, because I love to always comment and say hello to when you hashtag replay later on. Okay, let's carry on. It is a bit of an unusual day because, let's just put it this way, I I started something new today. Something I want to share with you today is I started to invest in my health a bit more. Okay, I wanted to really do some bit more health for my legs and my knees where I have some issues with. And I want to share with you what I bought the other day, just yesterday that came in, and I started using it yesterday, and it's awesome. Welcome to my live, whoever you may be. And I'm going to share this with you because I'm going to be now QBing. Have you heard of the machine QB? I'm going to share it with you. I'm excited. I want to share this with you. This is my QB, my lovely friends. This is my QB. Yes, my QB. I wanted to share that with you. I just got it yesterday, guys, and it's going to help invest in my health. Yes, indeed. Oops. You like it? Let me go back to me. Oop. So I want to share that with you, my lovely friends, because I'm investing in my health much better, because I knew that with the QB, I could do that a little bit in the morning because it helps with my circulation as well as my knees. I'm excited about that, guys. I really am. So I thought I'd share that with you too. I love my QBing. It's wonderful. And I also want to share with you one thing. This also reminds me of working online, as I've been an online digital marketer as well as an entrepreneur this past 2 years, and I have enjoyed it and loved it. The reason why I started doing online is because I wanted to have a laptop lifestyle. I wanted to work at home. I wanted to really invest in myself and start a home-based business. And plus, I am getting older, and so I wanted to have some good, much better income for online and in my retirement years. So as a result, hey Melissa, how you doing, girl? Glad to see you. I decided to share that QB first, because that QB is what I'm going to be doing with my exercising. I'm going to be doing QBing in the morning, and of course later on, what do? I do these wonderful tasks. And this is what I'm sharing with you today on this Winning Wednesday, this Webinar Wednesday, because I am a part of a beautiful community, a beautiful task-based educational community platform. It's amazing. Wonder why it's amazing? Because with this beautiful platform, I'm actually learning as I'm earning, because I do daily tasks every day. Because with the trainings I implement, I do these income producing activities. And what are? They're activities I do to produce income on a daily basis as I'm earning, shall we say, as I'm building my business on my Facebook profile, right? Exactly. And so with this beautiful community, this platform I'm on, every Wednesday, yes indeed, every Wednesday, my lovely friends, we have an awesome webinar that explains, hey Marie, how you doing? Hey Marie Jo, how you doing? Happy Wednesday too. On this beautiful Wednesday, we have this wonderful webinar, which is 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central, 4 p.m. Pacific time. And what this webinar does is explains the beautiful platform I'm on that helps me build my business on every single day, as I earn and I learn. And it explains beautiful PowerPoint presentation, wonderful testimonials. It's fun. It's international. I tell you, over 500 people and more were in the attendees last week. That's how good this platform is. And it's about over 4 months. It's about 4 months old. We have over 1,100 members. And then just this past 4 months, $435 of payouts. That's how beautiful this platform is. We're all earning and we're all winning on this beautiful platform. And we're doing our daily tasks, earning while we're doing it, plus we are building our business online through Facebook. How awesome is that? So I'm inviting you all to attend this wonderful webinar, because it's jam-packed full of people. I mean, it's international, so we have people all around the world. You get to meet interesting people, right? Plus, I want to also share with you the link to the webinar registration, shall we say, is on my storyline as well in the comments too. And I want to really share that with you today, because as I do my QBing, I'm on the QB, strengthening my body. Oh, sorry, that's my apartment. It looks kind of shizzle. I'm also building my strength up. And then later on today, I attend the webinar, which I want to share with you today. Come be a part of it. Check this platform out. It's going to be fun. It's going to be enjoyable. It's going to be full of wonderful people, on awesome information, wonderful, how we're all winning, how we're all earning, how some of our beautiful members are actually quit their job and now they're doing this full time. It's an amazing platform. And I must say, I'm happy to be a part of it, because it's changed my life the past 4 months, because I've actually earned, and I haven't earned for 2 years, but this past 4 months, I actually started to earn. And I earned $4,265 all told, and more coming with this beautiful platform. So my lovely friends, thank you Melissa and Maria Jo for coming by and saying hello. I appreciate it. And I hope to see you soon, my lovely friends. be a part of this webinar. Check it out. It's fun. It's enjoyable. There's lots of wonderful people. And you get to understand how when you work as one, you work faster as one, and the community grows even faster, right? So my lovely friends, I want to say, see you on the other side to success. Hey, hello, Michelle. How you doing, girl? I'll see you on the other side to success. Hey, buddy. So how you doing, girl? And I'll see you soon, my lovely friends. Bye.